Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to link PayPal to bank account. What you need to do, first just go to PayPal and then log in your account. After that click wallet and then here click link a bank. PayPal, they give you some bank suggestion according to your country. Otherwise, just you can type on the search bar the bank. For example, if the bank start with B, okay, let me select this one. After that, just type here account number and then just click here agree and link. This is what you need to do if you want to link PayPal to bank account. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.